Hello viewers, thanks for watching our videos. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. In this session, we are going to discuss how to write conditional operators. So, what is the use of conditional operator? Conditional operator will be useful for writing or printing some statements based on true or false. In a single statement, we are going to write based on condition. If it is a true, it will need to print some statement. If it is a false, you need to print some other statements. So, what is the standard way the conditional operator is? First one, it will be there like Boolean and question mark, statement 1 and colon, statement 2. So, this is the standard way to write conditional operator. Before question mark, one Boolean expression will be there. If it is true, then first statement it will going to print. If it is a false, second statement it will going to print. Without wasting your time, we'll start our class, public class lab, open the parentheses and write main method, public static void main string ops. So we're going to define some integer int a will be equal to true. So true question mark 10 colon 20. So if you print, okay, int b will be equal to false question mark 10 colon 20. So if you print these two statements, for true 10 will going to print, for the false 20 will going to print. So we'll print this system dot out dot println a. Then control V B. Then I'm going to build this program. What are the things it will going to print? We're going to check. So it's a printing for true statement, first statement, that is 10. For the false, it is printing second one. Next, we are going to define some true or false, that is conditions. Int a will be equal to, int c will be equal to, int c will be equal to 20 greater than 10 question mark, 20 is greater than 10 question mark. So we're going to print with 10 colon 20.0. So here we are assigning double to int and with the false statements. Now we'll check is it printing or not. Now we're going to build this. What are the statements? So incompatible, possible lossy conversion from double to int. We cannot assign like this. So here we are given for the statement. So 20 double we are assigning to int. That is not way to write. Then we'll write for this only double. Then we'll check will it be possible to build or not. Yes, it's possible to print. So we have to write what are the statements based on that data type we have to derive. Then we'll check with int. Can you assign string for this or not? We'll check. So 20. Can we assign 20 to the int or not? We'll check. So bad type conditional expressions. So why? Because we are given string and int. We should not give like string and int here. We can give the statements with the same data type. We cannot assign like that. We'll check. We're going to check this string width. Is that possible to or not? So here we'll write this int. So false statement for that int. So bad conditional operator. For that also it is showing that something false. Then we'll define this with string. Then it is possible to build or not. We're going to check. This is also incompatible bad type conditional expression. We should not give like this. So these are all not cases to write all the things. Next we're going to check with object. So we're going to write one object here, object class, object b will be equal to, object c will be equal to, we'll write 10 greater than 20 and question mark, then 10 colon string with 20. So 20. Now we're going to print this. What it will going to print? String can be assigned to object or not. We're going to check here. So this is false. Why? Because 10 is less than 20. It should be print 20. Yes, we can assign this with object class. String can be assigned with object class. Then we'll check what is the maximum and what is the minimum values. So how to check what is the maximum and what is the minimum values? So let's write int a will be equal to 20, then b will be equal to 30. Then we'll be write int maximum will be equal to conditional operator. If a is greater than b, then write question mark. If a is greater than b, print a, otherwise b. So max control wait. So already defined method main string ongs, variable is b and all. So for this we have to write d control that. So d. Sorry for this. Now we're going to build this. So it's showing that 30 is maximum value, maximum from C and D, max. Maximum from A and D, C and D. 30. Maximum C and D is 30. If you want, you can give tab also for this. Then we're going to check with minimum, that is int minimum will be equal to, if it is a C is less than D, then minimum value print C colon D. Then we'll type this minimum from C and D. So put terms are class minimum. Then we'll write for this, we're going to check which value is less value. Yes, from C and D 30 is maximum, from minimum C and D 20. If they're going to give 3 statements, let's take 3 values. Let's take 36 and E will be equal to 55. Then we're going to check how to write one conditional operator for all these within one statement. So int maximum equal to, first we're going to check with A is greater than B or not. If it is A is greater than B, then we'll check with the C. So we have to write 2 more conditions. A is greater than C, then condition check A print or C, then semicolon. We are retaining here first statement. This is the first condition. So if it is A is greater than B, first we are checking. We'll write ABC like this. So we're going to define ABC. If A is greater than B, then we're going to check with the C. So if A is greater than C, then print A as a maximum and print C. Then again we are checking with this one. Next, then here we're going to check A is greater than C. Then if B is greater than C, then print B colon, otherwise C. So this is the control statement to compare maximum value for this, all the given values. So if it is a maximum, ascending order, descending order also, we can write from this. So first we are going to check what is the maximum value. Then we are going to print maximum value from A and B and C will be equal to plus maximum. Then we are going to check with this. It will going to print or not. Reach the end of the file parsing. Sorry for this. We have to put one more braces. Yes, it's showing that 55 is maximum value from 20, 36 and 55. We can print also before this and all. We can print some values. We can do like this also. We can print what are the values for this control build. So we can do like this also. Yes, 20, 36, 55. Maximum value from A and B, C and this is 55. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon.